What's up everyone, it's Catherine Montez here. Thanks for tuning in. I actually wanted to make this quick video because it's something that I've had on my mind for a while. You know, I have people that constantly, message me. They want to join the business opportunity that I'm part of, and they join, but then they don't see results, even though that we provide them with step-by-step training. We have free mentoring. You have full access to me and the other leaders on the team. So if you have all these tools, then why are you not seeing any type of results or success? So there's 3 different reasons that I can think of in the top of my head why you're not seeing results. Okay, so the first one, and I did write it down because writing things down is a lot better than just keeping it as a mental note. But number 1 is definitely your mindset. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's business, relationship, school, friendship. You always have to have that right mindset. Okay, you have to have yourself surrounded by people that are going to be positive, that are going to uplift you, that are going to support you. Not everyone is going to support you in what you want to do. In fact, a lot of people are going to doubt you. And if you want to take the first step in even making anything successful, you have to make sure that you always believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself as much as you believe in your religion, okay? Because anything you do in life, you're always going to have those people that are always going to doubt you because they think they know you. They know the old you. They don't know the person that's trying to evolve. They don't know the person that has these dreams and aspirations that want to do better. So when you join any type of business, you have to come into this opportunity with a clear mind, positive. Yes, you're still going to be a little skeptical. You might be, feel a little risky, nervous, anxious. We all go through that. But in order to be pushing, the first thing you need to do is change your mindset. Come into this with a clear mind because this is a journey that's going to take you from here to here. And it depends on you. Okay? Number 2, you have to stay consistent. All right? You have to stay consistent in whatever you do. Just because you joined an opportunity or you started school or you started a relationship, it doesn't mean that it's done. It doesn't mean that your job is done. If anything, this is the time you have to work harder, okay? Especially in the business world. You just started this new journey. Nobody knows about it. Again, they're skeptical. They don't know how far you're going to go, but you have to continue promoting yourself. Even if no one is engaging with you, even if no one is liking your post or asking you for information or maybe calling you a scam, don't worry about it. Keep going. Stay consistent because everyone that has been successful in life, they just keep going. They keep pushing through the good, bad, and the ugly. Okay? And number 3, which is very, very important, and one of the huge reasons, which is number 3, that people do not see success in a business. Why? Because they join the business and then 5 minutes later, they're promoting something totally different. How are you going to be involved in maybe selling cars? Okay, let's say that you get involved in the car industry and then you're promoting popsicle sticks online or you're promoting lotions and potions. You have to stay consistent with what you are trying to focus. All right, so if you join an online opportunity, let's say you join the one that I'm in, and then 5 minutes later, you're talking about, oh, let's make money with applications, or let's make money through another business. No one is going to take you serious. You look like a company hopper. Okay? There's nothing wrong with having multiple streams of income, but if you find the right company, you're going to see that in that company itself, you can have more than one multiple stream of income. You just have to really search it and research what you're doing. There's a lot of companies out there that only pay you per referral, but there's companies out there like the one that I'm with that will pay you per referral, overrides, and monthly residual. So it's passive income. It's money that will always come in as long as you're staying consistent and you keep that mindset, okay? So if you're gonna be taken serious, you have to start with yourself. If you want other people to take your business serious, you have to start with yourself. Because the moment that you start acting like this is just a little side hustle, like a little hobby, people are going to treat you like it's just a little hobby. Oh, they're just going to say they just join another opportunity. They're going to be, probably promoting something else in the near future. It confuses your audience, okay? So you have to stay consistent with one business, at least as long as you start getting that leverage. Give yourself time to get that leverage. So if you do start a new journey, a new opportunity, you already have that trust, that relationship with your team. So if they're looking for something that they want to add another extra income, source of income to their pocket, now they can go to you for something else. But it starts with you. Stop being a company hopper. Stop thinking that you're going into any business opportunity knowing from A to Z, because you don't. Because we're in the industry of people and learning every single day. So once again, those are the 3 things that you want to change. Number 1, just change your mindset. Okay, take the time, take a breather, change your mindset, write down your goals and your aspirations, what you want to accomplish. Okay, do a vision board. Start talking to people that live a life that you want, because you might have crickets, talking in your ear, telling you, no, you can't do this, but look at their lifestyle. You always want to follow the people that are doing things that you want to accomplish. Number 2, stay consistent. It's very important to stay consistent in business, life, relationships, friendships, if you want to succeed in it. And number 3, stop company hopping. Stick to one business, learn the ins and outs, become a product of the product, and then you'll start seeing results. Because if you're being given all the tools and you're not seeing any results, but other people are, then there's something wrong with you. There's something that you have to change. So if you are stuck in a culture that maybe you were taught in a different business or a company to do certain things, you have to just erase it. Become a student, okay? Be coachable, be willing to learn every single day, follow those 3 rules, and I promise you'll start seeing results. So guys, have a great day. God bless.